Ron Atchison for AutoForge.net, and today I've got my good friend Ivan LaCroix in the shop, and we're going to take a look at some DIY products. One of them is the DIY iron remover. We're also going to take a look at DIY tire dressing, and to help in cleaning the wheel, we're going to be using the DIY Detail Rinseless Wash. So Ivan, if you'd like to explain about your products.
So what we're going to be starting with is spraying the iron remover on here. And this is a rental Jeep. I don't think these wheels have been cleaned in 10,000 miles or so. They're looking a little nasty. We're not going to be going after the barrels. That's another story. But we're going to start with the iron remover, and we don't need a lot of it. You know, iron remover does not have the best fragrance in the world, so just enough to cover the surface, and we're going to let it sit there. While it's sitting, this is a black wheel. We won't see as much of the red as we would with a silver wheel, but it's cleaning. There's a few surfactants in the iron remover that help in the cleaning as well. And then we can take the brush in the rinseless wash, brush the tire, brush the wheel, dry it off with some microfiber towels, put a bit of tire dressing on it, and we'll have a happy, clean wheel.
Yeah, as you can see right here on the lug nuts, you can see the color change happening where it's attacking the ferrous metal that's on this wheel.
Yeah, and if we take just a towel and wipe this off a little bit, you can see how much is on there.
Right. So every time you apply your brakes and the brake pads rub against the rotor, you have that friction. That friction causes brake dust.
Exactly.
Brake dust has metal in it. The metal gets on the face of your wheel, into your clear coat of your wheel, and if it's not taken care of, it'll cause damage. And that's exactly what the iron remover does. It gets in there and pulls all that ferrous metal out of the pores of the paint and makes it nice and clean.
Exactly. So we have the brush.
Yep. So
we've got a nice boar's hairs brush.
Yep.
That's from our friends at Wheel Woolies.
Yep. So we're using a Wheel Woolies 9-inch boar's hair brush. It's a very nice soft brush, so even if you've got gloss black wheels, it's not going to scratch them.
Yep.
In the bucket, we've got couple of gallons of water with the DI Rinseless wash solution in there. That's leftover from when we washed the hood and the front end and the fenders and different spots on this Jeep for other videos.
Yep. Here, I'll get this side.
So we just go ahead and continue to use that same rinseless wash. No need to throw it away.
No, exactly. And it's a very, very gentle brush. It gets in to everywhere, like around these lug nuts, and it's very pliable, so you can actually add a bit of pressure to it if you want to. And then for the tire itself, the rinseless wash actually does a good job. The surfactants help break down the browning that's on the tire. And the bristles on this brush really get into the siping and the writing on the tire. And we can see the browning coming to the surface here. And then we just take our microfiber towels and dry.
Start wiping.
Yeah.
So this is ideal to use if you happen to live in an apartment or you live in an area where they have severe water restrictions where washing with a hose is just not possible. Maybe you live in the Midwest where it's
freezing.
40 below zero. Yeah. We've both dealt with that, haven't we?
Oh yes, more than once. Having spent most of my years in Canada, I don't like winter.
No.
Winter in Florida is nice though.
Yeah, that's why I'm here.
Yeah, exactly. Same here.
Yeah. If we had this weather in Chicago, I'd still be there probably. No reason to believe. But.
Work that towel in around the lug nuts. So now we have a nice clean wheel, nice clean tire, and time to put the icing on the cake.
A little bit of suds in there, but they'll dry.
Yep.
All right, so we're going to take our tire dressing, make sure you shake it up.
Right. And the tire lotion, like most of our products, very efficient. So we just need 3 or 4 sprays on the applicator and start bringing it around the tire.
One thing that's really nice about the applicator that he's using is that, if you hang on just 1 second, Ivan.
Yep.
The applicator itself has very nice sharp edges to it, so
Yep.
it's very easy to cut in right next to the wheel without getting the dressing onto the wheel itself. The way the applicator is made, the back part of the foam is very rigid, so basically it's a handle, so it's
Right.
very easy to hold on to. And where they're glued together, that stops the tire dressing from soaking into that, so you don't waste product. It only stays in the black part.
Exactly. No, definitely a fun applicator to use. And like you say, it's very, very easy to be precise with it. A lot of applicators, they're a little more difficult to work with.
Right. Well, you can get the stuff on there, but you're going to get it on.
Everything.
Yeah. There's actually quite a bit of thought went into that applicator.
Engineering making our lives easier. A little excess up here, we'll just spread it a little further. And there we go.
Yep, so as you can see, we made a dramatic difference in the look of this wheel and tire without using a garden hose. Just a matter of minutes, not a whole lot of effort, not a lot of work.
Exactly.
Chemicals do the job.
Let the chemicals work for you.
So, hope you guys found the video informative. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to learn any more information on DIY products, please visit autoforge.net. We sell a wide variety of DIY products. Ivan, thanks again for coming in and demonstrating your products.
Thanks for having me, Ron.
As always, questions and comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.